Hello, this is Laura, and this is an overview of Thursday. Most of Thursday was meant driving, packing beforehand, and then driving. I forgot, but we lost an hour, and then took a class, and then thankfully with all the notes, I was able to write them on Cocoa Daisy. Friday was a long day, really, really long, from morning to night. You can see, yep, there's Friday, and then I took a class pretty early in the morning, tons of notes for that, and then the second class that I took after that, and then I even have another class. I think I had a total of 4 classes on Friday. Yep, 4 classes on Friday. And then we were doing other stuff as well. So those are all the notes from all of the different classes that we took. And then the next thing starts up with some of these pictures of all these people that we met. We met a lot of nice people throughout doing these different classes. And then there was this networking event. And you saw new products on Friday, and so these are some of the new products. And I also had they had like this little shade right there, and I kind of just moved it aside so I could see some of the stuff that was behind it. But this was also kind of cool. They had this Creativation thing, and everybody put in their names and that sort of stuff. And this just shows they had artists that actually, when you went to these classes, you had these artists actually draw stuff too. So again, this is just some of the people. That's one of the artists. They were drawing on these boards, and yeah, it looked really, really cool. So some of these classes are from my classes or from Rachel's classes. And then some of the people that we met. And then we went to a networking dinner with the designers. This is some of the people that we met at the dinner. These ladies were really, really fun. And so we had an excellent time. We pretty much closed down the dinner situation, meeting all these lovely ladies and having a fabulous time. So thank you very much for watching.